Hello everyone, now with the help of pink color dough, we will make a very beautiful couple bird. Take the pink color dough, cut it in the shown way. Now fold it and press it to give them the shapes. Make its eyes. Now using the knife, cut it as shown in the video. Now press it from the between with the help of these sticks. Now lift them upward and it's ready. Now we will make a person sitting. Take a yellow colored dough and cut them and fold them as shown in the video. Now fix its hands. Now make its feet using the knife. Now press it from the top to make its ears. Now we will make its eyes and mouth and it's ready. Next we will make a very beautiful floral design. Take a pink color dough and cut them into 6 pieces. Using the fork, press them from the end. Now start folding it as shown and fix them together and pinch it from the between. Stick it together and it's ready. Now we will make a very beautiful art. Take a white color dough and flatten it. Put pink color dough over it and cut it from the between as shown. Now roll it from the between and then separate it. Now using these sticks, press it from the between and it's ready. Next we will make a beautiful craft. Take the dough and flatten it. Now cut it from the between and roll it one by one as shown in the video. Now put them together and with the help of these sticks, press it from the between. Now pinch it from its end as shown. Keep a dry date in between and it's ready. Next we will make a floral design. Take the white and yellow color dough, put them over each other, cut them into 6 pieces and then press it with the help of the comb as shown. Now roll it as shown in the video. Follow the same process for rest of the others. Now after completing it, join them together as we are joining. Now with the help of these sticks, press it from the between as shown in the video. Put a dry date in between and it's ready. Now we will make a fish using the white dough. Take the dough and then press it with the help of the comb from the sides. Pinch it from the end, stick its eyes, make its fins. With the help of a tool, we will make some designs on it and the fish is ready. Next, we will make a very beautiful design using the orange colored dough. Take 2 sticks and put the dough in a zigzag manner on it. Now pull out the dough as shown in the video. After pulling it out, press it from the between with the help of a stick. Now fold it and press it from the below. Now put a dry date in between and it's ready. Now we will make a cute snail using the white dough. Take the dough and flatten it. Now roll it as we are rolling. Now pinch it from the front and then make its eyes and it's ready. Now we will make a very beautiful art. Take the orange color dough, fold it and press it from the sides. Now again fold it, pinch it from its end and it's ready. Next, we will make a very beautiful design. Take the dough and cut it from both the sides. Now roll it and press it from its ends. Put a dry date in between and it's ready. Thanks for